Do a little last minute coyote hunt / turkey scouting. Go see if we can call some coyote real quick. Landowner said he's been seeing them like crazy, so stick with us. I'm gonna open us up with some boom howls. Got us one killed. So we started off with Boone Lone Winehouse. I was in Broke Pups, and Kimball caught this coyote slipping up the fence row, and he came in, and our wind is cutting directly across us, so he was going to end up going down in this big dip, and we elected to go ahead and take him. But a little bit of turkey scout, some coyote killing. Got another one down. We're going to go get him here in just a second.